Let us see irregular verbs. Regular verbs form their past and past participle by adding ed. Verb is nothing but the action. Can go through the examples. But when you come to the irregular verbs, they do not have definite rules. For example, grow. The present, the past verb is grew. The past participle verb is grown. Please go through the other examples. Try to exercise the quiz. Thank you.